Sometimes the most beautiful things in the world are created slowly, one careful detail at a time. What you're looking at right now may seem like just a cake, but behind every layer, every color, and every tiny decoration, there's patience, creativity, and hours of dedication. At the beginning, this cake was completely plain. No decorations, no elegant designs, no beautiful colors. Just a simple base waiting for someone to turn imagination into reality. And that's where the magic begins. The first layer of smooth cream slowly covers the surface with perfect precision. Every movement feels calm and satisfying. The texture looks soft, clean, almost too perfect to be real. As the frosting spreads evenly across every corner, the cake slowly transforms from something ordinary into something special. Then come the details. Beautiful colors start appearing one by one. Elegant patterns begin forming across the surface. Each swirl is carefully placed with steady hands and incredible focus. There's something strangely relaxing about watching the process. The smooth motions, the satisfying textures, the careful decorating. It almost feels hypnotic. This is more than baking. This is edible art being created in real time. Every tiny detail matters. Every decoration changes the entire look of the cake. One small mistake could ruin everything. Yet every part comes together perfectly. That's what makes cake artists so impressive. Most people only see the final result, but they don't see the patience behind every second of the process. Hours of focus, steady hands, creative imagination, all combined to create something beautiful enough to make people stop scrolling instantly. As the decorating continues, the cake becomes more elegant with every passing moment. The glossy textures begin shining under the light. The smooth cream patterns look almost unreal. The colors blend together perfectly like a luxury painting. Honestly, this doesn't even look like food anymore. It looks like something displayed inside an expensive art gallery. And yet, every single part of it is edible. That's the amazing part about cake decorating. It combines creativity, art, design, and food into one masterpiece. Some people paint on paper, some people create music, and some people create beauty using cream, chocolate, and imagination. Watching the process feels peaceful. No loud noise, no stress. Just pure creativity slowly coming to life. Every final touch makes the cake look even more satisfying. The small decorations, the smooth finishing, the tiny details carefully added one after another. Everything feels perfect. And then, finally, after all the hard work, the masterpiece is complete. From a plain beginning to a luxurious final creation. The transformation feels unbelievable. It's hard to imagine that this stunning piece of art started as such a simple cake. And honestly, it almost feels too beautiful to cut. Because the moment someone takes the first slice, this perfect masterpiece disappears forever. Maybe that's what makes creations like this so special. They don't last forever, but for a moment, they become something unforgettable. So now tell me honestly, if this cake was placed right in front of you, would you actually eat it? Or would you just keep staring at it forever?